been down there since 1953. No, we had nothing to do with Eisenhower. Oh, no, it's a cellar down there. Very damp, clammy. You don't want to go down there, trust me. You get sick. Suffocating, very nauseating. The smell of the clamminess and the mildew and everything. Woo! It smells unbearable. No, there was no accident down there. It didn't blow up or catch on fire or anything. It was so dramatic. I mean, well, never mind. No, never mind. I can't talk to you about this. What's a smart girl like you going around talking to old ladies about their down there for? Down there. We didn't do this kind of thing when I was a girl. What? Okay. There was this boy, Andy Leftcock. He was cute. Well, I thought so. And tall, like me. And I really liked him. He asked me out for a date in his car. I can't tell you this. I can't do this talk about down there. You just know it's there. Like the cellar. There's rumbles down there sometimes, and you hear the pipes, and things get caught, little animals and things. And it gets wet, and sometimes people have to plug up the leaks. But otherwise, the door stays closed. Forget about it. I mean, it's part of the house, but you don't see it or think about it. It has to be there, though, because every house needs a cellar. Otherwise, the bedroom would be in the basement. Oh, Andy left. Right. Andy was very good looking. He was a catch. That's what we called it in my day. We were in his car, a new white Chevy Bel Air. I remember thinking that my legs were too long for the seat. I have long legs. They were smushed up against the dashboard. I was looking at my big kneecaps when he just kissed me in a surprisingly take me by control like they do in the movies kind of way. And I got excited. So excited, and well, it was a flood down there. I couldn't control it. It was like this force of passion, this river of life just flooded out of me, right through my panties, right onto the car seat of his new white Chevy Bel Air. It wasn't pee, and it was smelly. Well, frankly, I didn't smell a thing, but Andy said that it smelled like sour milk and it was staying in his car seat. I was a stinky, weird girl, he said. I wanted to explain that his kiss had caught me off guard, that I wasn't normally like this. I tried to wipe out the flood with my dress. It was a new yellow primrose dress, and it looked so ugly with the flood on it. Andy drove me home without saying another word, and when I got out and closed his car door, I closed the whole store. Locked it, never opened for business again. I dated some after that, but the thought of flooding made me too nervous. I never got close again. I used to have dreams. Crazy dreams. Out there, dopey. Why? Burt Reynolds. I don't know why. He never did much for me in life, but in my dreams, it was always the same gentle dream. Burt and I. We'd be out, Burt and I. Some restaurant, like the kind you see in Atlantic City, all big with the chandeliers and the thousands of waiters with the vests. Burt would give me this orchid corsage. I'd put it on my blazer. We'd laugh. We were always laughing, Burt and I. Laughing. We'd eat shrimp cocktail. Huge shrimp, fabulous shrimp. We'd laugh more. We were very happy together. Then he'd look into my eyes and pull me to him in the middle of the restaurant. And just as he was about to kiss me, the whole restaurant would start to shake. Pigeons would fly out from under the table. I don't know what those pigeons were doing there. And the flood would come straight from down there. It would pour out of me. It would pour and pour. There would be fish inside it and little boats and the whole restaurant was filled with mock blood. And Bert would be standing waist deep in it, looking horribly disappointed at me that I'd done it again. Horrified as he watched his friends, Dean Martin and the like, swim past us in their tuxedos and evening gowns. I don't have those rings anymore. Not since they took away just about everything to do with down there. Moved out the uterus, the tubes, the whole works. The doctor thought he was being funny. He said, you don't use it, you lose it. Really, I found out it was cancer. Everything around it had to go. Who needs it anyway? Highly overrated. I've done other things. I love the dog shows. I sell antiques. You ask me what it would wear? What kind of question is that? What would it wear? It would wear a big sign, closed due to flooding. What would it say? I told you, it's not like that. It's not like a person who speaks. It stopped being a thing. That talked a long time ago. It's a place. A place you don't go. It's closed up, under the house. It's down there. You happy? Got an old lady talk about her down there. You feel better now? No. Actually. You're the first person I've told about this. And I feel a little better.
Oh.